Hi, it's Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and we are in the same room.
We are here together at Cruise 360, excited to meet so many advisors on the trade show floor today, and wanted to go ahead and record moments of joy while we're here together.
Absolutely. This is so much fun. We're so excited to meet everyone today. And Matt, what are we going to talk about today?
I think we should talk about something related to cruises. Let's take a look at how Itinerary Copilot makes it so easy to plan cruises and present them to your clients. Caitlin, can you show us how it works?
Absolutely.
Now, if you aren't familiar with Copilot, this is your AI assistant built directly into smart proposals and itineraries. It's going to allow you to input information and have it create a beautiful, sleek, professional experience for your clients. All right, so we're going to get started by adding in our prompt to Copilot, which we've already created ahead of time. And Copilot's going to bring in both our post-stay, pre-stay, flights, and cruise information. Now, as you can see, Copilot has brought in all of the details from our prompt, and it's working on putting those final touches with photos now. Now let's go ahead and turn some of these room options or cabin options into a choice for our clients using option sets. Now I can do this by heading back to Copilot and adding in the prompt for which staterooms I want to offer as a choice, and to update that in the proposal itself. As you can see, Copilot is in the midst of adding that option. It's removed all of the other rooming options and added in those two specific suites that I wanted it to add as a choice for my client. Now, what that looks like to your client is this: the ability to choose which of the options they're interested in booking and approving their proposal.
Thank you, Caitlin. Itinerary Copilot really makes it so easy to save time as you're planning your cruises and present something that looks really polished and professional to your clients.
All right, everyone, we are off to the trade show floor. But before we go, we want to make sure that you're aware that we are having a workshop this Thursday on groups. Now, we know that a lot of you that plan cruises may also plan groups. And we want to make sure that you're aware of our workshop webinar this Thursday that focuses on groups specifically.
We hope to see so many of you there. And for now, that is Moments of Joy this week. Caitlin, so good to see you.
All right, we're off to the trade show floor. Have a wonderful rest of your week. We'll see you next time.